Okay, Lakshya Sen has marched into the semi-finals of the singles badminton event here in Paris 2024 with me, a bunch of fans. The one thing that he had was a lot of support. First thing, even before I ask you questions, I want to know that there were clearly more Chinese fans that were supporting the opponent, but I heard a lot of Indian noise, right? Give us a sample. Show us your lung capacity. What is it that was your go-to chant?
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा इंडिया जीतेगा.
Okay, that was loud, huh? And this is what we heard there. Was there any sort of banter that happened between the Chinese fan as well as you guys?
No, I don't think so. I mean, anyways, we were very confident of him winning. So, anyways, doesn't matter how loud they shout. We don't care. Anyways, we won.
Yeah, it was amazing. I think during the challenges they were like there was some sort of banter, but then it was like more, overwhelming sometimes, but it was good.
At any point आप लोगों को कोई डर लगा कि जब फर्स्ट गेम हार गया कि कुछ चांस होगा?
पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस,
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल
पूरा
नहीं.
कॉन्फिडेंस एंड बहुत प्रॉमिसिंग परफॉर्मेंस.
लक्ष्य सेन खुद भी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहे थे. अब उनको डर था ही नहीं, बिल्कुल डर नहीं था और वो कॉन्फिडेंस हमें भी आया और जीत ही गए.
I think he got stronger and stronger with every point. I think पहली game में he was just measuring the opponent, and then second, third he absolutely destroyed him. I thought. I think he didn't stand a chance. Yeah.
defense unbeatable.
Yeah, no, at any point there was no fear that he will lose.
100%.
Now tell.
नहीं, उनका डिफेंस अनबीटेबल था. वो जो भी शॉट मारे थे वापस ही उनको मिल रहा था. उनको पता नहीं हो रहा क्या हो रहा है.
Okay, अब आगे मेडल का what do you think? Semi-final.
100%.
Gold. Go for gold.
Okay, that's what you heard from the fans. But overall, India's badminton campaign, have you felt disappointed or are you happy that one of them has made it to the semi-final?
Yeah, I'm happy that at least someone has made it to the semi-finals. We were disappointed with PV Sindhu's performance, but we are happy with what Lakshya did. So,
Yeah.
overall,
Lakshya
it's
went
good.
ahead.
We are getting a
So-
medal. Yay!
Yeah, no, I think it's bittersweet. I think with PV Sindhu, she hasn't been in great form. I think for the last year or so. But with the doubles, Chirag and Satvik, we were hoping that they would make it. We booked actually the tickets for the first session as well. So that was kind of disappointing. But I think the Malaysian pair were playing really good. They played against world number 1 today, and they gave them a run for their money. So I think it happens.
And I think it's the first time that we are truly just competitive in all tournaments and all fields. So I think we'll get to the medals, but this truly the first time that in 3 different fields India was true medal contenders. We'll get there, but yeah, this is.
Let me ask the youngest fan, what was your favorite part of the match?
I like when he won.
Oh, the winning. Yeah, all that matters. Well, but in terms of one aspect of Lakshya's game that you guys enjoyed the most, is there anything, his smashes, his movement, anything in
I think
particular?
his movement and his defense was epic.
Defense was the best. Defense was epic.
I think it's the overall control on the game, not the smashes or anything particular. In control throughout the game, I think, which is why we never felt he'll lose. I think the whole control was amazing.
सुना कि वो अभी रिसेंटली डबल्स टीम के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे अपने नेट के लिए और वो साफ दिख रहा है. उनका नेट प्ले इज अनबीटेबल. जैसे
अब आप लोग में से कौन फाइनल के लिए, सेमीफाइनल के लिए आने वाले?
मैं तो आ रहा हूँ, दोनों सेशंस बुक्ड हैं.
Tickets for the bronze and semi.
What bronze in? Fight for. Okay, so जब आप लोग आओगे, one final time chair for Lakshya, how are you going to be showing your support when he comes up against a tough opponent in the semi-final? Give me a sample.
जीतेगा भाई जीतेगा, इंडिया जीतेगा, भारत माता की जय.